Hey, it's Darren here at AMBRO Manufacturing, and in a lot of our videos you see me walking around here showing you bandanas and t-shirts and tote bags, sometimes embossing, debossing, engraving, but what you might not know is that we also do stuff like that. One of our tree companies ordered a tent from us, as you can see behind me, and they also ordered a lot of cool knickknacks and goodies, and let me show you some of them as well. Take a look at this guy. This is your stress ball, but shaped like a chainsaw. I mean, what's better than that for a tree service company? And if you don't think that's cool, take a look at these. Capes for kids. With, of course, your logo on the back. What's cooler than that? Not much. So if you're interested in cool stuff like that for your company, give us a call here at AMBRO Manufacturing, where we can offer you cool size stress balls, different shapes, tents, any number of things to advertise your business. Or if you're in the Flemington area and you need your tree cut down, give Tree Tech a call. Talk to you soon.